everyone, this is Ashish and I'm spot again with a new topic, lead generation. Lead generation is the process of attracting and converting strangers and prospects into someone who has indicated interest in your company's product or service. Some examples of lead generators are job application, blog posts, coupons, live events and online content. There are two components to the lead generation process: getting traffic to your site and then convincing them to share their contact information with you. The first step of the process is finding an effective way to attract prospects to your website. Depending on your company goals and budgeting constraints, there are many ways to start attracting prospects to your site. The following are some of the key ways which businesses use to drive traffic. Search engine marketing is a form of online advertising that involves paying search engines to display ads in their search results. Because search is the primary way people navigate the web, this can be a big source of traffic. Search engine optimization is similar to search engine marketing in that it involves getting traffic from search engines, but rather than paying search engines for ads, search engine optimization involves optimizing your website for search engine algorithm so that it appears higher in the organic search results. Social media sites such as Facebook and LinkedIn have grown to become some of the most popular sites on the web and are beginning to rival search as major source of traffic from social media platform or paying for ads that run on the networks. This type of advertising comes in various forms such as video, image, audio, text. These ads can be relevant website in order to drive the traffic to your own site, usually via pay-per-click models. Online marketing can often begin offline. Events such as industry conferences and meetups can be good ways to network with potential new customers. Inform them about your brand and get them to your website. These can be events that you sponsor or events that you host yourself. A webinar is a live video session which your visitors can view and participate in. Webinars typically last between half an hour. Provide information and educational material about a specific topic. Because webinars are interactive and require a big investment in time, they can be a great way to not only create a lead but also to educate and convert them. I hope this video will surely help you make the right decision for your business. Thank you all for your precious time.